Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Got something a little different today. We're gonna take it back and run it back with the Hood 702 stuff, but it's not my fault. See, I'm pretty sure Google meant to send me the Pixel so that I could review it for you guys. And I called FedEx, I looked all over the place, I couldn't find it. But then I realized what had happened was it mistakenly got sent to my Best Buy. So I'm gonna go hands-on with the Pixel today. And I'm just gonna let them keep these units because they're demo units anyways, and I'll get mine in a couple weeks, and then I'll do a more in-depth review. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. First day, hands-on with the Pixel 6. So here we are. I'll tell you what, the size difference between the Pro and the regular 6 is minuscule. So if you're worried about the size, don't be. Just go for the Pro. It's just a little bit thinner, but slightly taller, but the width and the weight almost identical, really. Display lightning fast compared to the old Pixels. This 120 is like big upgrade, big upgrade. I'll throw up some camera samples because I know that's what you really want to see. Little RoboCop lens. This thing feels awesome, and it weighs nothing. Like no weight to it at all. I think I'm in love. So let's check out the camera and go from there. What do you guys think? What do you guys think of this? What do you guys think? Pretty good? Yo, so check it out. That was pretty awesome. I'm impressed. Quick thoughts. It's everything we thought it would be. It's lightweight. The screen is perfect. It's just like using an S series Samsung. It's like half the weight. It feels like it, at least. Cameras on par with iPhone now with the camera video quality. It's still top of the class with still photo photography. Other than that, it's a Pixel, but it's way faster. Their SoC seems definitely on par with the top of the line Snapdragon as far as functionality, but that goes with having them integrated with their own OS. So anyways, we'll definitely want to check these things out. Any comments below? Let's go.